Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I see that a lot of you like my commentary on reparations, dealing with what's going on in California. So I'm gonna come back to that, and I'm thinking about doing something that make it a little bit more appealing to my viewers. But as you know, my channel is about saving, investing in politics. So I just want to touch bases with investing and some things that I think will probably help you in the long run. So stay tuned and watch my video until the end. So welcome back to my channel. I go by One Chief Compadre, and you're watching Chief Stocks TV, where we talk about savings, investing, and even politics. So let me start off by giving you a little bit of background about how I invest in the stock market, what I think is a good investment and what is considered bad. So basically, my whole perspective when it comes to investing is investing in companies who actually make money. Let me say that again. When I invest in companies that actually make money. I avoid those investments when it sounds like it's speculative, where people are trying to make more than what it really is. And basically it comes down to simple formula, and the formula is investing in things that make money. If it doesn't make money, you should not invest in it. You should not go off speculation. You should not go off how many people are saying that is a good idea when it's not making any money. Prime example is NFTs, right? Where you heard all these stories of people making money off of artwork because of changing it into a token or some animal, and people are buying it left and right, and people were able to get themselves out of debt and pay off their mortgage and buy homes and yada yada yada, right? But no one could actually tell you how were they able to make money from this art, right? So everyone was all into it. People were, pumping up this NFTs, and no one still could tell you how they were investing this money or how were they making their money, right? And then another example is your cryptocurrency, right? No one could tell you how they were able to make money. All they could tell you is that it was a hedge against banking, right? Where people were able to secretly make money without the government knowing, and blah blah blah, right? But it's just funny how all these little fads came and left, right? Because many of these fads, they could not explain how were they able to generate profit, how were they able to make money. And when they can't show you the proof, the evidence on how they go about making money, then you know it's a sham, and you know that you shouldn't invest in it. And look at all these people now. Where can you find them, right? They're nowhere to be found, because many of them did things that were illegal, right? Scams, ways to get your money and not be traced, right? But they could never tell you how they went about generating profits. So let that be a warning for you. So when you invest, always look for a paper trail of how they're able to make money, right? Prime example, Amazon. It generates money, right? Because people get online, they buy things. Another example, Tesla, right? People buy cars, right? They want to invest in electric cars, right? They want to get away from gas. They make money. They make profit. Those are the companies you want to invest in. You do not want to invest in companies that are not able to show how they make money. That is your prime example. Now, another fad is coming, AI, and everyone's trying to get in it before everyone else does, which is fine, but make sure any companies that are dealing with AI are showing you how they make revenue. If they can't show you how they make money, do not invest in it. They have to have a paper trail showing how they're able to make money. If they cannot, if they're just going off a hype, or you're watching CNBC or all these other companies and they're trying to pump it up, but yet they still can't show you how they're able to make profit, do not invest in it. Only invest in safe, sound companies who are actually able to show you how they make money, right? They're actually making a profit. That's how I invest. And I hope you do the same, because you do not want to get caught up in speculation and following the latest craze just because you feel like you're losing out. Okay, so what do you guys think? Do you think my way of investing is one of the best ways to do it, or do you have another idea of how to invest? Put a comment down below, share this with family and friends, and become a subscriber to my channel. Until then, have a great day.